Welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on MJ's bike. So this is an Mt-09 2023. Ooh, new. So we are going to do a tail tidy, which is actually new to us. I mean new to me. So we are going to do this blindly. So there's no instruction for this. So I'm thinking that it's going to be easy because it's just 4 bolts underneath. There's 4 bolts. The only question is, according to some review, we need to find a way to move the key, which is transfer the cover. So let's see. And then he also bought indicators, which are going to be smaller. Yep, cute, so small. So it will be much more cleaner. So we're gonna be doing wiring and also plate. What do you call this? A plate light of a sort. And let's do this. Because the bolt, the nut is underneath, so we need to remove this. This is a, what is this? A 4?
Allen for something.
My eyes. I'm an old guy, so you have the young
it's a
ones
4
to read it. So this is the 4 Allen.
No, this is the
Yep. So this
of that.
it reveals this. So I'm guessing it's a 12. It's a 10. So this, you just have to unhook it. See, that goes like that. You just unhook it like so and pull. And this you have to push to unlock the tub. See, tub. Same with this one. Sometimes it's stubborn. Oh no, we're done. So this is, you don't have to remove this.
I'm guessing this is for the
yeah,
brake
it's
light.
a tail for the tail light. So now you can, well, that's not the question, because you can actually keep this. You should have, for me, in my opinion, you could have just bought plugs like this. So in case in the future you can actually use this again, and then it's just going to be a plug and play.
Yeah.
But because you don't have that, I would rather cut this off
Let's splice it on the
and
new
then
one.
splice it on the new one instead of splicing it from here. I think first let's try to remove this.
Oh yeah.
Nandun ba yung magnet?
Huh?
Magnet?
Magnet?
Oo.
Ano yung tsura?
Na dyan?
Ano yung tsura niya?
Paano siya? Kwadrado.
Ewan na. Nakuha ko na.
Oh, wala.
Lala.
Magaling talaga
There
si
you go.
Sergio nasa sundutan.
Oh, it fits.
Exactly. SB19 yan.
There you go.
Oh yeah!
Oo na, uwi ka na. Tapos na.
Oh yeah!
Yun na yun, di ba?
Sink lang.
Sige na, uwi ka na.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Walang trabaho. Pero oras pa naman ang bayad sa
Hmm?
akin.
Nasa ano na sir? 32 minutes na tayo.
Naku, ito pinakamahirap eh. Oh. Oh, hirap. Pinapahinga muna ako, Brad. Pag-iisip ako mabuti mo.
Ano po ba yung ano?
Mahirap kasi ito.
Ang hirap nun, no? Ang liit eh.
Hirap eh. Kailangan ano niyan?
Mayroon ba pang hawak na ganyan? Ganyan kaliit.
Kailangan niyang kuha na ano.
Naku, ang hirap talaga.
Yung malamig na ano, malamig na iniinom. Tatawag doon.
Tara. Ay.
Huh?
Not more. But actually, you don't need Loctite for this. You know why? Because this is a self-locking knot. You see the head of the knot?
Mga self-locking nut.
So it's a self-locking knot. Balikan mo na daw ng kanto.
Nakakaldol.
Brad, tatanggalin pa yan.
Ha? Ang tanong, hindi kaya matatakpan ng plate number?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Masyado malayo.
Plate number natin. Okay, mo.
Hindi kuya?
Hindi ba?
Yan.
Sakto.
Hindi, malayo naman plate number. Di ba kakabit natin lahat ko? Ganyan ulit, di ba?
Hindi ba? Hindi naman tail tie din ang ginagawa. Ang tail untie din yan eh.
Tatanggalin yung plate number.
Moment of truth.
So from the harness, the black connector is for the left. So the white connector will be for the right. The gray would be for the plate light. Cheers.
Cheers.
You know when you're old, when you're already drinking tea instead of beer. Sinarado natin, hindi naman natin tinestik. Rico! Diba? Dapat tinesting muna natin.
Kailangan pa ba? Boom.
Left ang inano ka?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Factory.
Factory install. Ano pa ang ticket number? Laki pa lang kita nito dito. Yung salamin mo? Ganda naman yung ano yun.
Palitan mo yan?
Huwag na, baka madagdagan pa yung kakarak mo.
Tama nito.
On daw, on.
Ano?
On mo.
Signal.
Nice.
Parang tabing eh. Wait ka.